Hello friends, it's Miss Woodard again. We begin by writing our name at the top. And today is June 5th, 2020. June, you write with a J, U, N, E, 5, 2020. Okay, to do this page, we say the word, we say the sounds, and we trace them. Okay? Cat. K. A. T. K. A. T. K. A. T. Cat. 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 Okay, what is this? This is a bat. B. B. A. A. T. T. B. A. T. B. A. T. You do 3. B. 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 A. 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 T. 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 B. A. T. B. A. T. B. A. T. Bat. 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 What is this? Hat. Yes, it's a hat. A. T. 3 times. Ready? A. T. A. T. A. T. A. T. Hat. 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 What is this? It's a rat. A. T. A. T. A. T. Rat. 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 Yes. Okay. Next page for today. You will do it again. Cat. Bat. Hat. Rat. Trace it and say the sounds. K, a, t, k, a, t, k, a, t, for the whole page. Okay? Good job, friends.